everyone, so today we are making easy homemade pizza. We will begin with pricking the dough to avoid puffing and then we will move on to making the pizza sauce. We will fry the garlic and tomatoes by adding some salt until they get mushy and then we will smash them. Now we will add some chili flakes, oregano and ketchup. In the meantime the dough is baked. Now we can spread this pizza sauce. Now we will add the toppings of your choice. So I'm adding onion, bell peppers and marinated chicken. Initially we will bake it for 5 to 7 minutes and then once the cheese is added we will bake it for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're good to go. Enjoy your pizza. Thank you for watching.